Greetings, my dear beloved children. Today I would like to warn you about the possible mistake you can unintentionally make through ignorance, and we will talk about your participation in various celebrations or mass events, secular or religious, sad or jolly. I would like to explain to you what happens at the subtle level every time when at the physical level a lot of people get together. As you already know, for centuries your conquerors have been striving to gain power and control over people by means of various manipulations and guiding of their conscience, for which a wide range of tools were applied. They often were also magic rituals with human sacrifice, which helped them feel almighty earthly gods, with common people being their congregation, faceless and resigned crowd of slaves. They have got so used to their omnipotence and such a pattern of relationships with people that now, when many of you start to revive and see what actually happens on the planet, these masters of the world became afraid they are losing their power and they are trying to get it back by all their usual means. This accounts for toughening of the measures connected with false pandemic that restrict the rights and freedoms of people almost in all the countries of the world. Thus, the world shadow government is trying to get back the power and the feeling of omnipotence, make sure that people still remain their dutiful slaves who they can control with impunity. But now to the alignment of forces on the planet, there are being introduced amendments by the new high vibration energies that are dissolving old third dimension programs in human conscience and purifying Earth from century-old deposits of dark negative energies. Therefore the members of the world shadow government and their marionettes at the helm are trying to restore the energy balance that will enable them to keep on ruling, and are searching for more and more new ways of energy and feed for their existence. And the main source for such an infeed from time immemorial has been in mass gatherings of people on different occasions, especially religious ones. So, at the subtle level, mass parties on a holiday encourage real revelry for the dark forces, who then use the low vibration energy got from people against them, creating some kind of a cycle of this energy between the subtle and physical levels. As a result, people, knowing not what they do, kill themselves with their own energies. Yet, of particular value for the dark forces, both disembodied and embodied on Earth, are all the energies connected with death, and especially death of millions of people in different wars. For such energies sustaining, there were created parades, traditions and remembrance days of the perished in numerous wars, that were organized exactly by those who go on receiving the dividends of their horrible actions even many years after these wars were over, artificially plunging people into thoughts about those bloody events. That is why, my dear, I would like you to restore the notion of a holiday for yourself in its original divine meaning, that was in communication with nature and peoples, giving each other the energies of joy, happiness and love. And it is this energy that even your relatives that passed away need, not your mourning, grief or suffering. Remember about this, my loved ones, and do not allow your own energy, your precious divine gift, to be used by those who are trying to annihilate you physically and morally, suppressing your will and crippling your soul. Affectionately loving you, Mother of the Universe spoke to you.